All right, guys, here is everything that I wore in Paris and the south of France. This dress pretty much broke my Instagram. This is a beautiful lace dress from House of CB, and my beautiful friend Tanika Renee wore this dress, and I was like, this is so perfect for my wedding anniversary. I need this. It was sold out for months. I set one of those alerts on House of CB, and the minute they emailed me to let me know it's back in stock, boom, it was mine. I gotta give it to House of CB. I am giving you your flowers, House of CB, because most of their dresses come in several different cup sizes to match the actual sizes of the dress. So this dress, I am wearing a size small and I believe a D cup. So for our actual 20th anniversary, Ryan took me to this beautiful restaurant in Paris called D'Essence. It's a Michelin-starred restaurant, and I just felt that this outfit was perfect for the evening. We had like a 12-course crazy chef's table meal. That was one for the ages. So with this dress, I wore my Akoya pearls. I got them when I turned 30, and they're like my jewelry MVP. I can't believe how much wear I get out of these. And as soon as I got home from Paris, I got these in the mail, and I so wish I had them. I think they would have been really pretty with this dress. I feel this dress could have used the earring drama. And to top off the outfit, I wore my little silk purse that I wore on my actual wedding day. It was the perfect color for this dress. She's so cute and pretty and silky soft. So I've only ordered from House of CB one other time, and I wasn't thrilled with the quality of the dress. So I was really playing roulette ordering this one. I wanted something that looked elevated. I actually went to a bridal shop to find a beautiful like cream or white silk slip dress to wear for the evening, but oh my God, they would take months to order or create and were thousands of dollars, and I didn't want to spend that much on the dress. This was sort of expensive for House of CB. I think it was like $3.99 US, which is like $1 million Canadian, so annoying. But I'm pleasantly surprised. It's really beautifully made. It has boning throughout the dress here and here to keep you all snatched. Anyways, this dress is feminine and beautiful and completely gorgeous, and probably one of my favorite outfits of all time. So I wore this outfit actually twice in Paris, and the first time I wore it, we were going out to dinner and we were walking from our hotel to the restaurant. So I actually paired this outfit with a creamy espadrille. These are the espadrilles that I brought on vacation with me. I got so much wear out of them in Nice. These are from Stuart Weitzman. I also brought these bad boy Jimmy Choos. I bought them in Vegas years ago, and I can't believe how much wear I get out of these crazy blocky wedges. They're so feminine and beautiful, and femininity is my jam. And for the bag, I brought my Caramel Celine box bag. It was literally perfect for France because you could do it cross-body, you know, pickpockets. I also added my treasured Sagittarian necklace. It's this huge medallion from Eclectic, like I need to give anybody any more confirmation that I'm a Sagittarian. But I adore how big and bold this necklace is. I love a huge medallion. I find it ties everything together. I wear this necklace almost every day. I love it. So outfit number 4 is very fitting. It is the Saint-Tropez dress from Reformation. I love Reformation. I think it's very my style. It's very classic, natural fabrics that transcend time, I feel. And they're like beautifully wearable with a dash of sexiness. I feel that's very me. I wore this sightseeing in Nice, and it's absolutely perfect. It's this beautiful indigo linen with the classy big gold buttons. I'm obsessed. I brought a couple of Hermès scarves with me to wear on vacation. These are really good on the beach to like wrap up your hair. But the day I was sightseeing, I used my little Zodiac scarf. But check this one out. I love it. Look at that. It's like a Tetris scarf. Tetris was one of my favorite video games as a kid, so I had to have it. This scarf is truly a work of art, and when I saw the Sagittarian, I had to have it. There's the back of the scarf. All right, let me show you how I wore this. I am 100,000% in my bougie era. My essay at Hermès taught me how to tie the tie in like a scarf style, and I just think it's, you know, gives it a little oomph, gives it a little je ne sais quoi. For walking around Nice, I wore my trusty orange sandals. They go with everything. You know what else would go with this outfit? A gold Birkin, Hermès gods. Do you hear me? But instead, I used this canvas and faux leather little bucket bag from Zara of all places. Look at how cute she is. Oh my gosh. It was like 30 or 40 bucks. And it comes with this handy little pouch. I absolutely adore it. Anyways, I knew that this outfit landed. I knew that this outfit was good when French people actually complimented me. You know the French, they are perpetually unimpressed. So I'm really, really happy that I got a few Niçoise compliments while in Nice. Okay, outfit number 5, last but not least, is this beautiful little white linen number that I picked up in Paris at Zara. They were having one of their crazy sales and I saw this and I'm like, this is gorgeous. This looks elevated and rich and well made. Kind of total opposite from Zara. So I picked it up and I'm so happy I did. So I wore this dress in Monaco and I got compliments there. And Monaco is crazy. I've never been to a place like Monte Carlo. Like, it is beyond money. It is beyond rich. It is truly wealthy. And the people watching was just incredible. So I really wanted to fit in. I really wanted to look classy, elegant, and timeless. And I felt that this beautiful white dress fit that bill. So Monaco has a ton of cobblestones. I knew we'd be walking around a lot, so I really wanted to be comfortable. So I brought my trusty orange sandals. These are beautifully worn in, maybe a little too much. I probably need to replace these because they've stretched out so much, they kind of slip off my feet. For jewelry, I kept it pretty simple. I think I wore everything that I'm wearing today. The watch, an anniversary gift from my husband from Tiffany, the bangles, you name it. I wasn't really fearful of pickpockets in Monte Carlo, so I brought my trusty Louis Vuitton pochette métis. I love this bag because it is so functional and versatile. Got the back pocket for your phone, which is amazing, and it's just so roomy. Oh, look at that. An invite to a barbecue in Monte Carlo. So France was wildly hot, like crazy humid, but there were a couple evenings that rained and were, I wouldn't say chilly, but I could have used maybe a little wrap. So I got this in Paris and I brought it with me to Monaco because it was a little rainy that morning, but it cleared up and I didn't need this at all because it was like 90 degrees. Anyways, this is a beautiful silk cashmere scarf that I picked up at Dior on the Champs-Élysées. I saw it and I had to have it because it wasn't obviously Dior and incredibly feminine. Now, Dior is one of my favorite brands. I just think it's so classy and elegant. I love feminine. I love super, super feminine. In fact, I'm gonna do a YouTube video on femininity. So yeah, it was just painterly and gorgeous and I felt I could get a lot of wear out of it this summer and early fall. So I think that the scarf is called Les Quatre Saisons, which means the 4 seasons. And this is what it looks like. I believe each side represents a different season. So we've got this one, that one. See how the colors change? It's just so pretty. And it's beyond soft. It's just gorgeous. So that sums up all of my outfits that I wore in France. Geez, I might have to do a part 2 because I have more to show. Let me know if you guys would want a part 2. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me along on Instagram and TikTok. I would love to see you guys there. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. You're the best. And I hope you like this outfit video. Also, let me know if you want more. Everything will be linked for you in the description box and the first pinned comment of this video. Anyways, I love you guys and see you later.